Hey, hello, good morning everybody. Sunday, October 13 here. And all the work here is complete for now. No more backhoe today. We're still going to try to get the government to bring another backhoe and do more work. They still have to try to fix this wall. Who knows when. But I told Grace to keep reminding them, whenever she's here. Before she goes back to Cabanatuan, I want her to make another phone call to her friend that works in the barangay. But they're heading back today. They're over next door with Michelle, her niece that I showed you yesterday. That's her sister's daughter that I showed you with had the green pants on. So the boys, caretaker boys, they took the day off because they had to go up in the mountain and do another job, do some more work. So they're not here today. Just Sally's going to be here. Just me and her because Grace and the kids are, like I said, are heading back. I'm not sure what time. But let me show you all the final work here. You already saw it, I know, but you didn't see it without the excavator, without the backhoe here. Let's take a look. So this is what's done. No more is going to get done right now unless the government comes and brings another backhoe. But it came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. It's flowing real nice. And we got, like I said, we got some of our damaged, eroded property back. It'll look even better once the pebbles are on it. It's not bare dirt. But yeah, if we get another monsoon, it's probably going to erode again with no wall here. But what are you going to do? At least it's protected for now. And as long as there's no monsoon rains, we'll be okay. Plus, don't forget, behind this dirt is sandbags. Probably over 200 sandbags. Maybe more, 300, 400. I don't know how many they put down. A lot. So that's going to help a lot also. But that's it. That's the project. Another project done. Right now I got the water pump going here to fill up the tank. And we'll do the kitty watch a little bit later. I'm probably going to stop the kitty watch once they start walking, once they start getting out of the box. I'm probably going to end the kitty watch because all the fun part of the growing is over. But I'll do it probably until maybe 30 days, 1 month old. So yesterday was 20 days. We got a little bit more to go. But yeah, this pump is running right now, filling up this tank. I like to keep it full in case it's super windy. This thing even held up during the typhoon because it was full. It was really heavy, and I thought for sure it was going to be knocked down, but it stayed up. I was really surprised it stayed up. Thought for sure I was going to lose that tank. So we'll just take a look at this, and then I'll do the kitty watch a little bit later. But the kids are all playing in this water now. now that it's flowing really good. He dug this out a little bit. He put some dirt here. But at least it's flowing. It's moving, which is really good, because if it doesn't move, that's when you get your mosquitoes. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Keep on watching. Like and subscribe. It is free. God bless everyone. Santa Claus, over and out.